Hold up 1 second. Let's rewind to the day before. Jason and I checked into the marvelous Chateau Lake Louise for a night to remember as we gazed endlessly at the crystal blue lake from our room. We finally made it back to our all-time favorite place, Maligne Lake, for such a stunning sunset after a year away, and woke up to do an exclusive guest-only experience canoeing across Lake Louise for sunrise. Go watch the whole video now if you haven't seen it yet, and then come right back to watch our next day's adventures. Okay, back to our Jasper trip. A couple hours ago, we left Lake Louise and are currently driving along Icefields Parkway. We made a stop at Columbia Icefields, and we were here back in October when it was pretty much the start of winter. It was so magical, and today is a different experience, but you guys should definitely check out our top 10 spots along Icefields Parkway just by clicking that banner.
We're all showered up and ready to head to dinner. We are going to be hitting up the Great Hall pub just to hopefully grab a drink, grab some food, and then walk around the resort a little bit. And then, of course, we're going to show you guys everything that Fairmont Jasper Park Lodge has to offer. I'm just looking over at Lauren, and she's like literally mouthing the words to me right now.
It is 30+ degrees Celsius in Jasper right now, and our room is actually 33 right now. So we are so glad that we were able to book this cool spot. We booked the last two this evening, and we're just enjoying the time out here in the sun while cooling down. Just checked into the Jasper Park Lodge, and we're really excited to be here. But along Icefields Parkway, we actually hit up a couple of spots that really stood out to us that we did not expect to be so surprising. For example, Horseshoe Lake. It was such a beautiful spot to be cliff jumping, and it was such blue-green water. It was amazing.
And that's something we're hoping to do for you guys next time, is getting some cliff jumping the next time we're here in Jasper. The next spot that surprised us was Tangle Creek. When we were here for the winter, it was extremely bland. Like, it's just a little bit of trickles of water coming out of this falls. But right now, it's like raging. If you guys are ever here for the summer or maybe even the fall, I think you guys will really enjoy Tangle Creek.
Yeah, absolutely. And lastly was the Valley of Five Lakes. So we've actually never done this hike before, and it's right by Jasper. Like you could actually hike from there all the way up in like 9 kilometers to Jasper. And we were very surprised. All 5 lakes were so crystal clear blue water, but it was such a hot day today. It was 28 degrees when we were hiking there, and that's actually something that brings us to how hot it is here in Jasper. It's 34 degrees in our room right now.
Yeah, hence why we are sitting outside. We're not going to be chilling in the room. But the other reason why we're not really going to show you guys the room is if you guys look at the Fairmont in Banff or at Lake Louise, the room is quite a bit better. If you guys want to see our Lake Louise room, make sure you hit the banner. Is it this way?
Is it that way?
It's one of these ways. You're going to see a card pop up. So make sure you guys check that out. But we are going to enjoy our time here nonetheless, even though it is extremely hot. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
We just checked out of the Jasper Park Lodge, and right now we are at Patricia Lake. We are going to be venturing around Jasper. We're going to hit up a couple different points before we head over to Maligne Lake and take our cruise. We're super excited for that.
Yeah.
So let's go take a look at what Jasper has to offer.
Jason and I are at Old Fort Point Road. This is actually a very popular trailhead for a bunch of different hikes, and this viewpoint right here is only a short flight of stairs up and only 5 minutes from Jasper town. And comparing this location to what we saw in October, oh man, when we saw it in October in sunrise, this place was beautiful. But today water's a little bit murky. I mean, it's still June, so we're waiting for that clear water. But still a really great spot to catch some pictures, check out that bridge, and do some hikes. Finally made it out to Spirit Island. We were on the boat for about 45 minutes, enjoying the views, enjoying the color of the water changing, and we are finally at Spirit Island. It's been 5 years that we've been waiting to see this place, and it's just like that calendar picturesque view that we've been dreaming of.
As you come off the boat and onto Spirit Island, you sort of take this little bit of a loop. You go up, then you come down. If you want that picturesque view of Spirit Island with the mountains in the back, you definitely want to head up. Right now we are at the base, and as you can see, it still looks really amazing, but you don't get that iconic, like Lauren said, that calendar view. So when you guys come here, get off the boat quick, head up to the top, and grab that shot.